A rainbow forms when sunlight refracts in water, inviting questions about prisms, spectra, and why color emerges. Explorers trace droplets and scattering, yet the loop closes when the observer's eye experiences the color itself. Now imagine a clock at noon, sparking thoughts of time zones, Earth's spin, and why noon repeats daily. Memory completes the loop by recalling a date, prompting a check of the calendar for that moment. In curiosity loops, answers birth new questions, making learning a joyful cycle that loops back to wonder.